Hello and welcome back to Super High Graphics, guys. It's good to have you here. So today I want to show us how I made a simple event poster. So let's get started. Click on a fresh page. Delete what you have on your screen. Now let's import the image that we'll be making use of. Okay, here is the image. Okay, bring that right to the center here. Great. The next thing is to create a shape. Just a small rectangular shape like this. Give it a gradient, a transparent gradient like this. Great. Now you can expand that to as much as you want. Okay, great. Having done that, you can just lock that. Lock it so as it won't move again. Now click on the image. This is a colored image, but I want to make it into a black and white. Just saturation, take it down. It becomes automatic black and white. The next thing is to import a simple shape. Here is the shape. I'll just crop out some little parts. Okay, bring it right here, close it up like this. You can expand it if you want. Close it up. I'll just take it back and place it right here. Just close it as much as you want and place it somewhere here. Okay, now all you just have to do is change the color of that. You can make use of any color. I made use of blue color in that design. Now let's see if we can make use of let's make use of blue colors. Okay, right here it is. The next thing is to type in the text. The name that I made use of is Kelvin. So before I start typing the text, let's create another shape. Just a small rectangular shape to cover the page like this. Okay, bring that right down here. Okay, you can reduce just okay that, then come to opacity. Reduce the opacity to like let me put it at 40 or something, anything you feel like. Okay, good. The next thing is to start imputing the text. Now I'll be imputing, let's say, time is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, right there, you can reduce the size of that. Come to font and give it any font of your choice. You can give it any font that you like. Okay, let's just make use of this font. Okay, place it. Let's increase the size a little. Place it somewhere here. Okay, you can just duplicate that. Edit it. Let's say the day that will be doing it, that's August 10. I think I imputed August 10. August 10th. Okay, make it capital letter. You can bring that to this other side. Reduce the size. Bring it to this other side, reduce the size. Now input another text. August 10, that will be on Wednesday. Okay, make it capital letter. Okay, you can reduce the size to fit under the August 10, like that. Make that bold, like that. Place it right under this. Now the next thing is, let's change the color of this text to suit our design. Come to color, make it the same blue color. You have this blue color in your color palette. So here is the blue that I made use of. Yeah, change this August 10 also to the same color right here. Okay, you can leave the Wednesday that way. The next thing is to duplicate this, duplicate it, edit it, and just impute the name. Let's say Samuels. Okay, make it a capital letter. Okay, that you can increase the size, bring it down here, inside this. Okay, make it color, give it a white color. Okay, now reduce that a little. Okay, placing it. Unless I forget, let's arrange all everything to fit to the center. Okay, great. This one to the center. Okay, this one to the center. Okay, great. Now here I have it. You can copy this, just copy this, duplicate it, and edit it. What do we have in that place? I wrote something there. Let's say okay, hosted by semicolon super high hubs. Right here, hosted. Okay, make it a capital letter. Okay, now you can bring that right down here inside this two line that we've created. You can place it, position it very well to the center. Okay. Let's make it fancy by changing some part of the color, some part of it, giving it a double color. To come to color, blue color. So just scroll down like this and then bring it to the specific part I want to change the color is super high hubs. Give it this color. You can see that. Great. Now there I have it. All I just need to do now is copy this Samuels, duplicate it, place it somewhere above, so it will fall behind his head, something like this. And now click on, take it to the back, come to opacity, reduce it. Let's put it at there. You can put it at 20% or 30%. I don't want it to. Okay, now position it very well at the center, just like that. Okay, the next thing is to impute the address and every other thing. Let's say the address is Suite 10, something like that. I think that's what I imputed. Suite 10. CIA Plaza. Abuja. CIA Plaza, Abuja. Then come down. Adam. Okay. I think for more info. Semicolon. Okay. And just type in the phone number or anything. Plus 234 81. Just like that. Okay, that. Great. Okay. But before that, let's make it capital letter. Okay. Now come to font and select this specific, this kind of a font that will make it fancy and so just come to font. I think the font that I made use of was so you can just give it any font. Let's say regular or Pepper's Brooch or this. Okay, this. body. Okay, now bring it down right under here. Now here you can come to alignment, align it to the center like this. Great. Now you can come to spacing and reduce the space. You can see, so you just reduce the space like this, just by 6. Okay, then you can reduce the size, place it right under here. You can align it to the center. Okay, that is how I made this. Okay, there is one more thing, that is just the Kelvin, the name Kelvin. Just impute the Kelvin. Okay, that, and come to, okay, and come to font. What really made it beautiful was the fact that I made use of some signature fonts. So you just search for fonts, come under signature fonts, just look for something beautiful. I made use of this. So just make use of something beautiful that you can just add to it, something like that. Break it down, increase the size, though this is not the one that I really made use of. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, just something like this. You can increase the size, place it right under here, like this. Yeah, so that is how I made this design. Thank you for watching. If this was really helpful, kindly like and subscribe to get notified whenever I post more videos like this. Thank you.